Craving that ultimate sweet and tangy Pinoy classic? Today on CMT Kitchen, we're making the best Tilapia Escabeche, crispy, savory, and super delicious. Let's get cooking. Start by chopping up your fresh aromatics, garlic, onions, and sweet bell peppers. Next, take your clean tilapia, season both sides with a pinch of salt, and fry them in hot oil until golden brown and crispy. Flip to cook evenly on both sides, then set them aside to drain excess oil. In another pan, let's build that signature escabeche glaze. Combine vinegar, light brown sugar, whole black peppercorns, and garlic. Bring it to a gentle simmer so the sugar dissolves and the sharp bite of the vinegar cooks off, then pour in a splash of water to balance out the liquid. Toss in your sliced onions and vibrant bell peppers. Season with a touch of salt and stir well so those fresh vegetables absorb all that sweet and sour flavor while keeping a slight crunch. Now push the veggies to the side of the pan to make room for your fish, then place your crispy fried tilapia right in the center. Spoon that rich glossy sauce and those vibrant vegetables all over the top of the fish so every bite gets coated in that amazing tangy flavor. And just like that, our Tilapia Escabeche is hot, crispy, and ready to serve.
Wow!
If you love this recipe, please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe to CMT Kitchen for more quick, budget-friendly, and mouth-watering dishes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next recipe. Happy cooking!